Straight North Promotion Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get digital marketing agencies wrong. They assume they all offer the same results and strategies. The surprising truth about Straight North is that it's a performance-driven agency focused on lead generation, and you won't believe how much ROI tracking and targeted campaigns can change your business results. Here's how it works. Straight North specializes in SEO, PPC, display advertising, and email marketing. Unlike agencies that focus on vanity metrics, Straight North emphasizes measurable lead generation, reporting, and accountability. Clients receive detailed analytics showing exactly where leads are coming from and how campaigns perform. For example, a small B2B company might use Straight North to run a targeted Google Ads campaign while optimizing their website for search traffic. Most people get this wrong. They assume more traffic equals more leads, but Straight North focuses on converting that traffic into qualified leads that actually turn into sales. Additional features include custom reporting dashboards, conversion rate optimization, and dedicated account managers who provide strategic guidance. Users praise the transparency, consistent communication, and the fact that campaigns are tailored specifically to their industry and goals. However, there are considerations. Services can be expensive for small businesses, and results depend heavily on niche market competitiveness. Most people assume an agency guarantees instant results. Realistically, lead generation campaigns require time, testing, and adjustments. In conclusion, Straight North is ideal for businesses serious about measurable growth, especially those looking to improve their lead generation performance. With clear reporting and dedicated support, it's more than just marketing. It's a tool for revenue-focused growth. Subscribe for more honest reviews of marketing and business services.